To our factory. Today I'm going to show you exactly how classic American potato chips are made, from real potatoes all the way to the bag on your store shelf. Stick around to the very end, you don't want to miss this. Every great chip starts with a great potato, and ours arrive fresh daily. First, every potato gets inspected and sent into our washing system. This industrial washer scrubs away every bit of dirt using high-pressure water jets. This smart machine scans every single potato and automatically removes any that don't meet our quality standard. Now the skins come off completely using rotating abrasive rollers, so the potato underneath is perfectly smooth. Even with all this automation, we still have a human eye check every single potato before it moves forward. This precision slicer cuts every potato into perfectly even, paper-thin slices, exactly what you need for that classic grip crunch. This water bath rinses away extra starch, so the chips fry up crispy instead of sticking together. A quick hot water blanch helps the chips cook up an even golden color later in the fryer. Before frying, the slices need to cool and dry off a bit so they fry evenly. Now here comes the fun part. These slices are about to hit the hot oil. Our fryer keeps everything moving at the exact right speed and temperature for a perfectly even crunch. Precise oil temperature control is everything. Too cool and the chips get greasy, too hot and they burn. This spinning machine removes the extra oil, so the chips aren't greasy, just perfectly crisp. This rotating drum coats every single chip evenly with our classic salt seasoning. Consistency is everything. Every single bag needs to taste exactly the same. This system checks for any metal contamination and automatically removes any chip that's overcooked, undercooked, or broken. This smart scale weighs out the exact same portion for every single bag, down to the gram. From here, every portion goes straight into its own sealed bag. This machine forms the bag, drops in the chips, and seals it shut, all in just a couple of seconds. We flush each bag with nitrogen gas instead of air. It keeps the chips fresher and adds a cushion so they don't crush during shipping. Every bag gets a date and batch code, so we can track exactly when and where it was made. Now these bags get grouped together, ready to be packed into cases. This robotic arm picks up a full case's worth of bags at once and places them perfectly into the box. This machine builds every case automatically before the bags go inside. Each case gets labeled with the product name and quantity, so everything stays organized in the warehouse. This robot stacks the cases perfectly, layer by layer, so the pallet is stable for shipping. This wrap keeps everything secure and stable during transport. From here, pallets move into cold, dry storage until they're ready to ship out to stores. Before any batch ships out, our quality team tastes and tests samples from every single run. Once approved, it's time to load these up and send them out to stores across the country. This truck will carry these chips straight to grocery stores so people can enjoy them fresh. And just like that, our chips are officially on their way to a store near you. To a store near you. From the factory, these chips travel to distribution centers before heading to your local grocery store. Here we are, chips arriving fresh at the store, ready to be stocked on the shelves. And there they are, freshly stocked and ready for customers. This is the moment it all comes, real customer choosing our chips. From factory to cart, our chips have officially completed their journey. But the story isn't over yet. Let's see what she thinks.
Wow, that's such a satisfying crunch, and the salt is just right.
Good food is always better shared.
Now these have a perfectly balanced flavor.
Honestly, these might be my new favorite. They're crunchy, perfectly salted, thickness.
I agree. These are incredible. I've tried a lot of chip brands, but the crunch on these is honestly next level. They are just perfectly crisp. So there you have it. From a truck full of raw potatoes to a crispy golden bag on the shelf. Every single step you saw today happens right here every single day to bring you a fresh, crispy chip. If you enjoyed going behind the scenes today, make sure you're subscribed to Inside Factory 11M because we do this every single week with a brand new product. If you want to see more videos like this, do me a favor, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me what factory you want to see next, and share this with a friend who loves snacks. And remember, hit that subscribe button on Inside Factory 11M so you never miss how your favorite everyday products are really made. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.